Good afternoon, JFL. Are we still having fun? Okay, can we make noise? Are we still having fun? Okay, I want to wave from the back end. Can we measure that? Yes, we can measure. Okay, that's good. We will get into that, why I want you to make noise one more time for, let's say, calibration. So make as much noise as possible. 3, 2, 1, go. Gotcha. We will come back to that in a second. But first, there are a few things that we want to discuss. First of all, who knows Java Magazine? Great, 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 great. Who reads Java Magazine? Yes. So it's a printed version because the reasoning behind that is so you can read it on the toilet. That's literally why it's a hard copy. Okay, in every situation, every edition of Java Magazine, we have what, I'm not sure if it's the English word is right, but in Dutch we call it a columnist. It's not a columnist, it's writing a column, right? You know, a short, opinionated story. And we're looking for a new one. That means if somebody is like, I have an opinion, and wants to write it in every single Java magazine, go to info@nljug.org. And I know that some people like, but Brian, you always have opinions, but I'm not going to write it. So if you feel like it, you want to contribute in general to topics in Java magazine, please go to info@nljug.org, and we will connect with you back.
Thank you. So it's now my pleasure to talk a bit about an initiative we've been doing for, I don't know, like 7 years already. The NLJUG Speaker Academy. So the NLJUG Speaker Academy is an initiative where experienced speakers and program committee members and other people who want to help you kickstart your career as a speaker, with the goal, obviously, to help you land a talk at JFOL. So this is a program we've been doing for a while, where there are sessions that focus on how do you come up with topics, how do you create an amazing presentation, how do you practice, and you also get to actively practice a presentation in front of an audience. So I'm curious, how many of you have ever participated in the NLJUG Speaker Academy? Can you raise your hand? Well, that's about, I don't know, like 30 people. And how many of you have ever participated and spoken at JFOL? That's even more. I don't know how that works, but so you see, you actually get a chance to go on the stage at JFOL. So there will be one next year again, start at the beginning of the summer, and I hope to see many of you both there and on stage at JFOL next year. So, without further ado, we are moving on to the main act of today. Well, one of the main acts. Please give a warm welcome to the best dressed person in the Dutch Java community, Bas W. Knopper.
Thanks. Thanks, Bert-Jan Schreiber. And hello, JFOL. It is time for the Innovation Award 2024, and I am your host. So every year at JFOL, we award the most innovative Java project during this moment. And you're going to help by voting. But how that's going to work, we're going to talk about a little bit later. First, let's look one more time towards last year's winner, Triopsis, with their decision support tool.
Our client, Air Traffic Control the Netherlands, is responsible for managing the Dutch airspace. Together with Triopsis and its partners, the decision support tool is developed. Multiple data sources are combined, offering new insights to the air traffic controller during the complex decision-making process when guiding an airplane. The capacity of airspace and Schiphol runways is optimized, while delays and the environmental footprint are hugely reduced. An advanced machine learning model is created based on years of historical air traffic data. The supervisor can run simulations based on this model for different what-if scenarios. These forecasts lead to even better decisions based on data. The backend is implemented using Java 17 and Spring Boot, whereas test containers support integration testing. Interfaces are specified by means of OpenAPI and Async API. The Angular frontend is supported by custom and open source libraries for enhanced graphical components. The machine learning model is developed using scikit-learn and is integrated in the Java backend. Decision support tool is unique in the air traffic management world. A significant reduction of delays is already noticeable after the first few months of operational usage, leading to millions of cost savings per year.
one big last hand for winning last year's Innovation Award. And how did they win? Well, we as the NLJUG get the submissions from innovative projects, and then we have a jury of experts that actually pick out 3 nominees. And those are Kaya, Johan, and Arjen. Give them a big hand. They're over there for their hard work this year, sifting through all the submissions and picking out 3 nominees that deserve to win the Innovation Award of 2024. So which 3 nominees are they? Give these also a big, I'm asking for big hands to calibrate the decibel meter. Give them a big hand. Open Rewrite, Dutch Railways, and the police. So just look at these nominees. I'm wondering, so Open Rewrite, who knows about or uses Open Rewrite? Whoa, that's quite a lot, actually. That's a lot. Nice. The Dutch Railways, who came by train this morning? Also a lot of hands. And who got stabbed this week? Nobody. See? Like, they are doing an amazing job. So I think they deserve to be an Innovation Award winner, but we can't all win. So these are the 3 nominees for this year. So what we're going to do now is we've asked them to create a video pitch, to pitch their story, their project, for you as the JFL audience today to pick which should be the winner. So we're going to look at the videos, and you can decide. So we're going to start with Open Rewrite. So who likes manually upgrading their Java? Well, couple. Let's see how Open Rewrite fixes these kind of things by automation.
Open Rewrite helps developers eliminate technical debt within their codebases. It is an open-source automated refactoring ecosystem that lets developers automate tedious code changes, framework migrations, and security fixes. It consists of over 2,800 open-source prepackaged refactoring recipes that reduce coding efforts from days or weeks to minutes. Open Rewrite actually upgrades Spring Boot. It actually upgrades SAST and SCA issues. And it actually migrates your tests to Assert-J. The community-driven development of recipes enables continued innovation with great coverage for Java and Kotlin, as well as an expanding ecosystem of language, framework, and technology coverage through collaboration. Modern, the creators of Open Rewrite, can run Open Rewrite recipes at scale across multiple repositories. Open Rewrite is also seeing widespread adoption in solutions like Amazon Q Code Transformation and Broadcom Application Advisor. Stop the madness of manual migrations with Open Rewrite.
Okay, give them a big hand. Open Rewrite. So next up is the Dutch Railway with their project BAM, which they can explain way better than I can. But I think it's called BAM because that's what happens if their software doesn't work. Let's take a look.
In a world where every second counts, Dutch Railways keeps the country moving. With one of the world's busiest railway systems, smooth and timely operations are crucial. BAM empowers traffic controllers to respond to disruptions. However, as the railway network grew busier and more complex, the old system struggled to keep up. We've reimagined BAM from the ground up as a highly available, cloud-based Spring Boot Java application. Our simplified architecture integrates advanced technologies, enabling traffic controllers to anticipate and mitigate disruptions before they impact passengers. We have developed a flexible and responsive railway network that guarantees a seamless travel experience for millions every day. The journey of innovation never stops, and we are ready for the future of rail.
Give them a big hand. Dutch Railways. I see people already practicing for the decibel meter. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, next up is the Dutch police with their secure data services. Let's take a look what you need to do if you can't upload everything and do everything in Azure.
De Secure Data Services Store van de politie biedt softwareontwikkelaars een gebruiksvriendelijk platform waarmee ze eenvoudig toegang krijgen tot complexe softwareproducten, zoals Kafka, Elasticsearch en Postgres. Dit heeft het voorheen langdurige en handmatige proces aanzienlijk versneld. Het platform is een cloud-native en on-premise Kubernetes cluster waarbij Cilium als CNI wordt ingezet. Hierdoor hebben gebruikers de flexibiliteit om microsegmentatie naar eigen inzicht toe te passen. De SDS Store is volledig gebouwd in Java, waarmee zowel horizontale als verticale schaalbaarheid, monitoring, automatische patching en backup en recovery zijn gerealiseerd. We maken gebruik van Argo CD volgens het GitOps-principe. Om te werken met de Secure Data Services Store is er geen intake nodig. De gebruiker kan de benodigde software meteen zelf configureren. Indien gewenst is 24/7 support beschikbaar.
Give them a big hand, the police! Okay, so these were only minutes, right? But if you would like to know more about all these amazing projects, then there are bite-sized talks where each of the teams are explaining why their project is innovative, the technical stuff behind it, in room 3 at 1440. So if you're interested, be there. So now, it's time to vote. So who was here last year or the year before when we voted? How well did the voting system work? We tried to do it through Wi-Fi. We had a great voting system in place, but it's really difficult to make that work in here. So we dropped back to the manual system. And this year we want to do it a little bit differently. So what we did is we have a decibel meter, which we've calibrated during the day. We actually have a specific AI, a trained LLM. His name is Bert Breeman. He's over in the back. Give him a big hand. And I would like to ask you to do the following. So there are 3 projects. We as a jury believe that these are all 3 amazing projects and they deserve to win the Innovation Awards this year. But you get to decide. So what we're going to do is the following. If there's a project that you like because it's cool, because it's one of the nominees, but you don't want to vote for it, you just clap like, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, it's nice. Like. But if you think it should win, then you... I'll do this again. Then you... Exactly. So, if you don't want to vote, just clap quietly. Let's practice that, just for one moment, so we can calibrate a little bit more. Like, ooh, you are harsh, J-Fall, you are harsh. But that's exactly what we wanted, so that's perfect. And now once more, like, yay! I hope this is going to work. But you're doing a great job, so thanks for that. OK, so without further ado, let's head over to the project. So we're seeing a project. I'm going to announce that we're going to applaud for it. You applaud if you want to vote for it, and so on and so on. Is everybody ready? And I'm also asking this towards Bert, who is going to put on the decibel meter right now. Oh, Bert, you're amazing. So let's try the slow clap one more time. Slow clap, like, oh, that's cool. Nice, nice, nice. And we're going to not try to, because we want to see what happens. OK, let's head over to the first project. Who thinks Open Rewrite should win this year's Innovation Award? Nice. OK, the Dutch Railways. Who thinks they should win the Innovation Award? And last but certainly not least, the Dutch Police Innovation Award. So now I have to confer with my LLM. The LLM is now coming down. Oh, well, next time we should do, like, I have the tux and everything, we should do an envelope and... and a glitter suit. Well, not all ideas are innovative. Ooh, we're going to get it on an actual platter. Is everybody as excited as I am? Oh, we're going to get it digitally on an iPad, drawn, and the winner is... You could be a doctor, Bert-Jan. The winner is, and give them a really big hand, the Dutch Railways. Come up on stage. Come on to the stage, guys. Okay, guys. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Oh, wow. Well, you did it yourself, so that's great. Maybe you should thank the audience for having faith and...
Oh, well, yeah, thank you for your volume.
Nice.
It certainly helped a lot. I guess I can give a little thanks to everyone who worked on this project as well. Just a couple years ago, we started this, and a couple developers had the idea to just, well, do it all differently than how we did it. And I want to thank the NS management, actually, for giving us the chance to do it our way. Yeah, I'm just real proud of our whole team. Thanks, thanks very much.
Great, give them another big hand. Natural winner, right? Awesome. If you want to know more about this project, come to the Bite Size at 1440, and let's give them one big last round of applause for the winner of the Innovation Award 2024.